Today is the 12th of November 2020. This is a 9-year-old female Schnauzer. Came with the complaint of weakness and vomiting.
How many days vomiting?
Vomiting already quite some time.
1 week, 2 weeks?
Maybe slightly more than that.
More than 2 weeks?
More than that.
How many weeks?
I can't count those.
How about diarrhea?
Diarrhea, when the first visiting is diarrhea.
That means one week ago?
No, it's already really more than that, I think.
More than that, huh? So what you are worried about is the vomiting and diarrhea, is it?
Now he refused to take food by himself. But I feed him, but then the food all vomit out.
All vomit out?
All vomit out.
After eating?
Huh?
After eat the food then vomit?
After eating.
How long?
I think a short while, maybe half an hour or so. Like that.
Half an hour. Okay, so we weigh first. We weigh the dog first. Come have a quick.
No, she became very weak, because
we weigh first, huh? So you came here last week, right?
Yeah.
For a checkup, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, have a quick weigh and see what's the weight.
3.7.
36?
3.7.
Yeah.
3.7 kg, okay, take a temperature. Okay, so the dog is eating or not eating now? Still eating?
No, she refused to eat. She will not.
Doesn't want to eat?
She don't be attracted to any food.
Okay.
Any kind of food that we give very close to him, she will not interested.
Okay.
She will run away.
Any diarrhea today, yesterday?
No, you have no diarrhea too.
No.
Since this couple of days, I think about 3 days, there's no diarrhea.
No
diarrhea.
vomiting?
Normally it's vomiting only.
Still vomiting?
Vomiting very badly. All the food.
How many times a day?
I think when foods that all goes to the body and then he vomits.
Temperature? But how many times you vomit?
Vomit. If the food is in, then he vomit lah.
Without the food?
Without the food is not.
Without food, no vomiting. Only after eat the food, then vomit.
Yes.
If you don't eat?
Don't eat. There's no food in that. There's no any vomit.
Okay, this teeth is bad now.
Yeah.
How old is the dog?
I think it's about 10 years old.
Now, normally when they have very bad teeth,
yeah.
they have problem eating also because painful, the mouth is painful.
That's why I noticed.
And the throat is infected normally. So probably he had some antibiotics right last week.
Yeah, he supplied to me 10 days.
There's a sore throat. When they press the throat, it's painful. So that will explain the reason why he doesn't want to eat. Because it's painful to swallow. And also a lot of vomiting. So you solve this problem first, and then you will at least help the dog. Now the second reason is that this dog is very old. How old is it?
10 years old.
So many of these dogs, they have infections. Infection inside the body, the kidneys or the liver.
Yes.
Also now, they stand first. So all these infections can cause vomiting because the liver or the kidney disease. So this one we will take a blood test to check whether have liver and kidney disease or infection. Okay. So this is the part. Now overall the dog is thin. It's thin. I can feel the bone here. So the body condition score is number 4. Let's show here. Number 3 is thin. So now I'll have a quick examination. I'll check the heart and the lungs. Okay, stand first. Stand up first. Put your hand down first. Check the heart first. Let your hand come out first. Heart is alright. Any coughing?
Coughing, there's no coughing.
No.
No coughing. There's no leaking of saliva or like. She do about 4 kilometers running most of the day.
Wait, I check the lungs first. Lungs are okay. Only this part is painful, the throat. Yeah, I can hear the loud sounds. Painful.
Yes.
The sound of the painful breathing here is like a wheezing sound. See whether they can hear. Can you hear the sound? You can't hear. Anyway, the throat sounds are okay. So definitely the heart and lungs are okay. Now I check the stomach. Stomach is central. So see any pain or not? No pain. But very empty. There's no food.
Yeah, there are no food into his body.
The good news is that there's no pain.
Yeah.
Do you give any painkillers?
Painkillers, there's no antibiotics only. But he give another one kind of capsules.
That could be a painkiller.
Omisec.
Huh?
What's a painkiller?
Omisec.
Okay, that is for the gastric.
Gastric. That means
Okay.
I already make a full course on that.
So abdominal, no pain. No, check the pulse. Pulse is good. Check the lymph nodes. I checked the eyes already just now. The mucous membrane. Okay, it's a bit reddish. The mouth, of course, is bad. The bone. Now we have to do the teeth as soon as possible, so that clean up the bacteria inside the gums. The lymph nodes okay. The lymph nodes are not enlarged. Okay, relax first.
This the stroke now. No mind, no pain yet.
Some stand properly.
Stand down like
Let's have a quick check on the lymph nodes. Yeah. So there's no lymphoma or lymphosarcoma. Yeah. So I confirm that. So overall, they turn upside down. They turn.
Sit down, babe. Sit down. Okay, sit down. Lie down.
Okay.
Lie down. Okay, lie down. Good girl. Okay, lie down.
Overall, it's okay. This
Lie
dog
down,
has been
okay.
sterilized or not?
Yeah, sterilized already.
There seems to be some problem with the urine, is it?
No, urine is
Urine okay?
dark. This couple, this is dark. Normally
Yeah,
is
for blood.
lighter a bit. I think she's overheat. The body overheat.
So there's something in the urine infection to be. Has she been leaking here, the private part?
No leaking.
No,
There's
okay.
no leaking.
So there's no diarrhea? Nothing. So okay. So now what I'm going to do is take the blood test,
Yes.
then give a drip.
Okay.
Then after that, when she's much better with no pain in the throat,
Yes.
then I'll quickly get the teeth done.
Okay.
Take out all the rotten teeth.
Okay. Yes.
Of course, at the same time, painkillers, antibiotics.
Okay. Okay.
Then when the blood test comes in,
Yes.
then I'll let you know whether there is any
Okay.
liver or lung,
Okay. Yes.
liver or kidney disease.
Okay. Yes.
And also, what is the cause of the vomiting? It's not a heart disease. But we don't know the kidney and the liver because I can't feel it.
Okay.
Normally I can feel the kidney. Now kidney disease, they can vomit.
Okay.
Liver also can vomit. So this is temporary. We will do these things, blood test,
Yes.
if possible urine test,
Yes.
and dental work.
Okay.
After you recover, maybe 4 days or 5 days.
Okay.
Then once we solve these problems and we know what causes vomiting, then it's easier for you.
Okay.
Okay, I can finish it.